So, grape is picked by hands from all our workers. Then we put on this cingolino, the tractor, and we will bring all the cases. We will put all the cases in one corner of the vineyards, and this evening we will come, this afternoon actually, we'll come with the tractor. We will and everything will be crushed by tonight. So the grape in open cases, opener, is in perfect condition, and in less than 5 hours everything will be crushed in the tank.